Prompt engineering for business owners, beginner's guide. All right, let's be real. If you run a service-based business, you're juggling a million things at once, managing clients, handling emails, marketing, customer service. It never stops. Hi, my name is 𝗲𝗍, your host for today. What if I told you a simple AI skill could save you hours every week? Imagine AI answering your emails for you, AI writing your social media posts, AI handling customer questions. This skill is called prompt engineering, the art of getting AI to do exactly what you want. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to automate your business tasks, how to write better prompts so AI gives you useful responses, how to start using AI today, even if you're not tech savvy. And no, you do not need to be a coder. Let's jump in. What is prompt engineering? All right, let's break it down. Think of AI like a super smart virtual assistant. If you ask it something vague like, help me with marketing, it's going to give you a generic answer that's about as useful as random Google search. But if you give it clear, structured instructions, AI can actually help you. It can help you write emails, generate social media posts, respond to clients, brainstorm marketing ideas. For example, instead of write a client email, try write a friendly follow-up email for a potential client who asked about photography services that hasn't responded in 3 days. Keep it warm and professional. Instead of give me Instagram post ideas, try give me 5 Instagram post ideas for my fitness coaching business that highlight client success stories and encourage engagement. See the difference? The more specific and structured you are, the better AI works. And once you learn how to do this right, AI becomes a game changer for your business. From early computers to generative AI, the evolution of technology. Before AI, computers were like old school GPS systems. You had to type the exact address or it wouldn't work. Now, AI is like Google Maps. You can just say, find the fastest route home, and it figures it out for you. The same thing happened with AI. Early computers could only follow strict commands. If you didn't type the exact words, they wouldn't respond. Then, AI started learning from data, recognizing patterns, and predicting what people needed. This led to large language models, or LLMs, which could generate, analyze, and even think creatively. The rise of generative AI. The real breakthrough came in 2020 with GPT-3, which introduced zero-shot learning. AI could answer questions without needing prior training, and few-shot learning. AI improved responses based on just a few examples. Then came AI-generated art with tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion 2022. Proving that AI could now create images, designs, and even music, all from text prompts. Now with GPT-4, AI is even more advanced, capable of handling complex tasks, reasoning through problems, generating high-quality content with human-like creativity. And all of this is possible because of prompt engineering, the skill of knowing how to ask AI the right way to get the best results. How to use ChatGPT in your business. All right, now let's walk through how to use ChatGPT step by step. If you've never used it before, don't worry, I'll break it down. Step number 1, access ChatGPT. Go to chat.openai.com and create a free account. You can sign in using Google, Microsoft, or email. Step number 2, understanding the ChatGPT interface. The chat box. Type your request here, like texting a smart assistant. AI generates instant replies. Chat history, your past conversations are saved for easy access. Step number 3, writing your first prompt. Let's say you run a cleaning service and want an email to send to new clients. Here's an example prompt for you. Write a friendly email introducing my home cleaning service to potential clients. Keep it short, engaging, and include a special discount offer. See how ChatGPT instantly creates a well-written email? Now, here's a pro tip. You don't have to accept the first response. You can refine your prompt to get a better version. How to write effective prompts. Now let's level up. Because how you ask AI makes all the difference. Here are 3 easy ways to improve your prompt. Number 1, role prompting. Tell AI what it is. For example, you are a customer service expert. Write a response to a frustrated client who didn't receive their order in time. Apologize professionally and offer a discount on their next purchase. Number 2, structured prompting. Give AI a format to follow. For example, give me 5 Instagram posts ideas for my hair salon, focusing on before and after transformations. Each post should include an engaging caption and a call to action. Number 3, iterative prompting, refining your AI responses. And here's the example. First prompt, write a blog post about personal finance tips. Follow up, make it more engaging and conversational, like a friend giving advice. Another follow-up, add examples of common money mistakes business owners make. See how small tweaks make a big difference? That's the secret to getting AI to work for you. Now you know how to use ChatGPT and prompt engineering to grow your business. Here's a challenge. Drop a creative AI prompt in the comments. For example, write a welcome email for my fitness coaching business that includes a free consultation offer. We can't wait to see what you can come up with, and let's hear your best prompts. We've developed our own prompt framework that makes AI responses more accurate, consistent, and business-driven, helping you save time and scale your automation effectively. If you want to learn how we built it and how you can apply it to your business, stay tuned for the next week's video. And if this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more AI-powered business tips every week. See you in the next one.